Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to add video and a heading in a container in a section in Elementor. Right now, as you can see, I'm editing a web page of my website using Elementor, and here we are going to create a new section. And for creating a section we need to click on the plus icon in the middle of the screen, and here it asks us whether we want a flex box layout or a grid layout. So we are selecting grid layout, and in the structure we are going to select the first one, the one row and two column structure. And here we need to add container in this particular first column. For adding a container, you just need to click on the add element icon in the above top header, top black header, and simply search for container widget. Okay, here it is our container widget. We will simply drag and drop this container widget to the first column. Okay, it's done. Now again we are going to click on the add element icon, the plus icon in the top black header line, and we will search for heading. Okay, and we will simply drag and drop this heading widget into the container of the first column. Here we can change the heading settings from the left side toolbar itself. As you can see, there are three kinds of settings available: the content setting, style setting, and advanced setting. And in the content setting you can simply change the title of your heading. Okay, and now we are going to add a video in the same container, and for adding a video widget you again need to click on the plus icon, the add element icon present in the black header line on the top, and simply search for video, and then you can simply drag and drop this video widget into the container, right? Okay, now we are going to copy the YouTube video link. So I have simply opened YouTube in another tab and searched for my video and simply copied its link, and again I'm back into my Elementor tab, right? And here in the left side toolbar itself, as you can see, in the video edit settings, again there are three kinds of setting: the content setting, style setting, and advanced setting. We are into the content setting, and here it is asking us about the link of our YouTube video. We'll simply copy paste our YouTube video link, and as you can see, we have successfully added a heading and a video in a container in a section in Elementor. Right now, if you want to learn more about Elementor, then I have mentioned my blog link in video description. You can simply visit my blog, read articles related to Elementor with video tutorials. And if you're interested in learning digital marketing in detail, then also I have mentioned my website link in video description. You can simply visit my website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.